2021 represents a cybersecurity crossroads. From common compromise vectors to new threats, attackers are always looking for new ways to escape IT notice, evade defense measures, and exploit emerging weaknesses. Working from home also offered another approach vector for threat actors, and new InfoSec threats emerged. These unprotected remote workers unknowingly opened a door to allow access like never before for malicious actors. For IT security admins managing unprotected devices, mixed personal and professional networks became a nightmare as hackers wasted no time in hopping over the lowered bars for entry to compromise your security. How can you protect your organization and manage your security demands at the same time? WatchGuard's Endpoint security delivers maximum protection with minimal complexity to take the guesswork out of endpoint security. Our user-centric security products and services are managed from a single pane of glass and offer businesses of all sizes powerful endpoint security that includes endpoint protection or advanced endpoint detection and response technologies. WatchGuard Endpoint Protection is a strong next-generation antivirus. WatchGuard's EPP protects all your devices, laptops, and servers. This complete protection covers all vectors, including networks, email, web, and external devices. Often, companies understand the security risks on the endpoint, and they deploy an AV product, but they quickly realize that they need an EDR solution in order to stay ahead of cyber attacks. WatchGuard Advanced Endpoint Detection and Response was built to provide complete visibility into endpoints and servers. By monitoring and spotting malicious activity that bypasses traditional solutions. WatchGuard Endpoint Detection and Response installs on top of existing AV solutions to add a full stack of detection and response capabilities. Since attacks are becoming more sophisticated and hackers are becoming more professional, traditional protection platforms are not sufficient. They do not provide enough details. What's more, some endpoint detection and response solutions create greater stress on IT admins' workloads by delegating the responsibility to manually manage alerts. WatchGuard EPDR combines the widest range of endpoint protection technologies with detection and response capabilities, providing two services managed by WatchGuard experts as a feature of the solution: Zero Trust Application Service and Threat Hunting Service. WatchGuard EPDR also supports multiple platforms as well as both Intel and ARM architectures. EPDR also protects against state-of-the-art cyber attacks through the use of both Zero Trust Application Service and Threat Hunting Services. WatchGuard's endpoint security ensures maximum protection at no extra cost. WatchGuard provides enterprise-grade security for any type of business. Learn how you can protect your business today. Visit watchguard.com/endpoint.